already see it, that's a good step.
If it's like a really bad hit or something, obviously considering the situation,
no,
and somebody like leaves fucking way off from somebody.
Yeah.
I mean,
no,
we're not chasing. Right? We all know better, and don't be stupid. We need to all be respectable, considering the situation, the money. But like I said, just make it try to be as legit as we all can.
We're gonna do a 60 roll.
60 roll and maybe like 60 to 107. We're gonna top out fourth. We won't shift to the fifth. Okay. So.
Fourth is like 170.
We should pretty much know, you know.
Yeah. First person that wins 2 is. That's it.
Yeah.
Y'all good with the 2,000?
Yeah.
Right.
Good, man.
Yes, sir.
Factory. So we weighed it without anybody in it was right at 38 or 35.85 without anybody. It's got 2 Kirkies and everything else is factory except for brakes, windshield, and that's it. Brakes and windshield's the only thing. Other than, obviously, like I said, the seats. But
Y'all didn't turn it up at the track though, right? This one.
No, this was off the lift. It went 870. Second hit went 860 on 872.
Oh,
We were just. It was shakedown. He was like, "No, I gotta change my oil." It was literally off. I tuned it on the way to the track. Never drove it.
This motherfucker was going. It was hooking. It was going.
Yeah, it hooks good. That's the one thing about this car is it hooks.
Yeah, that's when